This summer I have decided that I'm going to take on the Irish Photo Rally. It's basically a challenge to get out on the bike, travel around Ireland, and hit a list of locations. So yeah, a solid excuse to just ride more. We tried to cover a few points in 2024. I believe we did only 8 points then, and the winter started. This year, with full motivation, we're gonna go all the points. But before any of that, the R6 needs a bit of love. So we are starting off with cleaning the swing arm. It's one of those jobs you always put off, but once the wheel is off, you may as well do it properly. The underneath is pending. So once I clean all of that with diesel, I will change the rear sprocket. That's there on the wheel. Few bruises and cuts here and there. Yeah, plenty diesel. Tool to put the chain back. Nothing much to clean on the other side, just the swing arm and the brake housing, the rear brake housing. It has gone bad, so since we are changing the brake pad, we are going to change the brake fluid as well. After that, onto the rear sprocket. The old one's worn out, so time for an upgrade. I tried getting a front sprocket off as well, but yeah, that's not happening today. We'll leave that battle for another day. Once that's done, wheel goes back on, and then it's time to bleed the rear brake. Just making sure everything feels alright and responsive. Then we move on to fitting a new chain. Always satisfying seeing fresh parts on the bike. Makes the whole bike feel new again. And to finish it off, coolant change. Getting the bike ready for the longer rides and hopefully some decent weather. Though this is Ireland, so no promises. This isn't just about servicing the bike, it's about getting it ready for what's coming. Long rides, random stops, chasing locations, and enjoying the road. Irish Photo Rally, this is where it all starts.